Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. The 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible, a muscle car that turned the early 70s into an unforgettable era of speed, power, and pure American style. Today, we're diving deep into this legendary machine, exploring its aggressive exterior, refined interior, thrilling performance, and what makes it one of the most iconic convertibles in muscle car history. Let's get started. Exterior. The exterior of the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible is nothing short of jaw-dropping. It's muscular, bold, and instantly recognizable. The wide stance, sculpted fenders, and low profile make it look like it's ready to pounce even when it's standing still. The unique front end, featuring quad headlamps and a distinctive split grille, gave it an intimidating face. The functional, shaker, hood scoop popping through the hood wasn't just for looks, it delivered cold air directly into the engine, boosting performance. Chrome bumpers, dual racing mirrors, side scoops, and optional rally stripes added even more attitude. And with only a handful of convertibles made in 1971, it's one of the rarest and most valuable muscle cars ever produced. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Cuda Convertible blended comfort with performance-focused design. You were greeted by high-back bucket seats, wrapped in premium vinyl, and a sporty 3-spoke steering wheel that made every drive feel like a race. The dash layout was driver-oriented, featuring round rally gauges, a tachometer, and optional wood grain trim that added a touch of luxury. The convertible top could be easily lowered for open-air cruising, making every drive feel like a celebration of power and freedom. Despite its brute strength, the Cuda's interior provided surprising comfort for a classic muscle car. Performance. Now, let's talk performance, the heart and soul of the Cuda. Under the hood, the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible offered a range of engines, from the 383 cubic inch V8 to the legendary 426 Hemi and the 446 barrel. The top-tier Hemi version was a monster, producing around 425 horsepower and capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, a serious number for its time. The Hemi's raw power, combined with a 4-speed manual or the optional TorqueFlite automatic transmission, gave drivers total control over every ounce of muscle. Heavy-duty suspension, power steering, and optional disc brakes ensured it handled as fiercely as it accelerated. In conclusion, the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible stands as one of the most desirable muscle cars ever built. It combined wild styling, powerful performance, and the freedom of top-down driving like no other. With limited production numbers, it's not just a car, it's a collector's dream and a symbol of an era when power and style ruled the streets. Whether you admire it for its rarity, its roaring V8, or its timeless design, the 1971 Cuda Convertible remains an American legend. If you enjoyed this look at the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car features, and let us know in the comments which classic muscle car you'd like to see next.